Hi, I'm Heather Deck, your Pamlico Tar River Keeper, here to give you Sound River's weekend water report for the Tar-Pamlico River. We gave this weekend water report so that you and your family can have safe fun while out on the river recreating over the weekend. It's going to be hot this weekend, which means hot water temperatures as well, and that does not typically bode well for our river creatures. We already heard reports at Hills Point and at Miles Point, so looking at Chocowinity Bay and Ballance Bay area of the Pamlico River, that we're starting to see some algal bloom activity, and we're starting to see fish that are becoming very distressed because the water is hot, which means there's not a lot of oxygen. We fully expect that we're going to see some fish kills this weekend that might pop up overnight or during the day. Just remember that a fish kill means that there could potentially be an algal bloom that is going on at the same time, and since we can't get out there to monitor the water, it's best to skip that area and go find some better water down the river. And it's just to remind you again, if it's a fish kill, better to skip the water for another day, and we're expecting to see that at least in the middle area of the Pamlico River in Beaufort County. The Tar River is running very low, so it's safe, but if you're running up there with an outboard, just remember that the river's low and there might be some trees and other obstructions that you might hit. So please remember to wear your life vest at all times when you're on the river, especially with your kiddos. And lastly, it's always important to remember that the river changes constantly, and what we have in the morning on Saturday morning, we might see something different by Saturday afternoon. So just use your senses. If the water doesn't look right or smell right, again, if you see a fish kill, it's better to skip that area and go find some better water elsewise. Otherwise, it's going to be hot, so enjoy the river and stay cool this weekend.